Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. On this video today, I'll be designing a 3D rotational slider using HTML CSS and JavaScript. And if you wish to design this on your own, keep watching this video from the beginning to the end. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna navigate into my folder. Here are the images I'll be making use of, and here is my files. I'm just gonna open this on my code editor. So that's the estimated file right there. So then I'm just gonna open a div with a class container. So another one with a class box. So that div with the class what's it called, card. So down in between, so I'll be creating an image with a what's it called, with a class image u. So I'm just going to input my image right in there. So down here I'll be input the what's it called, header to. So here I'll just type URL and the break line web designer. So designer. All right, so let me just check that out from my live server to see what's called, what we just did right now. Right. So okay, so here's what we just did, the URL, the image, and others like that. So let me just split my screen into two. So I'm just gonna copy that and duplicate it right into the what's it called, making everything four. So let me just rename that to the name right from the folder, images folder. So see that this kit and this one is place. So I'm just gonna add a style. That'll be Ivan double Ivan I ratio one. All right. Um, so I'm gonna do the same thing for these. So that will be two, three, and the last one that will be four. Yeah, sure. So let's check that out. So you can see that. So it looks great. So let's start the body. Um, so the display will be flex. The justify content that will be center. So the outline item that will be center. So the mean height that will be 100 VH. So the what's it called, the background. The background will be 5 5 F5 F5. So that will be the color. So let's come right in and just copy this box to style the box. So that will be dot box. What's it called? So the position will be relative. All right. So the width will be 240. So the height will be 300 pixels. So the transform style that will be preserve 3D. So the transform will be perspective in bracket 100 pixels. So what's called rotate as well. So the transaction that will be 1.5 s. So you can see that. So I'm just gonna copy the box along with the what's called the card, so to style that. So the position that will be making it absolute. Um, so down at the top, so that will be top will be 0. So the left, that will be 0 last way. So the width, oh sorry, so the width will be 100%. So the height will be 300 pixels. So what's called the background will be linear gradient. So in bracket we have what's calling 8 degrees. So along with the color, so the colors are there. So I'm just gonna specify that for that. So this transform origin, that will be center. So here I'm just gonna link the what's it called, the CSS to this. So there's a mistake right from the beginning. So you can see that it looks great and it's working perfectly. All right, let's just copy that along with the what's it called, the IAM with IMGU. So that image, so the position will be what's it called, making it relative. So the width will be 100%. So the height, that will be 240 pixel. So we have the what's it called, the object fit, that will be cover, making everything look cover. So hold on. So I'm just gonna copy that along with the image to style that. So the position will be what's it called, will be absolute. So the top, the left, and the width will be 100 degrees. So the height will be 100 degrees as well. So object fit that will be covered. So I supposed to put it here at the beginning so it looks great, right? So you can see that. That's perfect. So let me just rename all those names to their right phone. That's why here will be like that. You can see that it looks great. All right, you can see that. Um, so let me just copy that and just put it right here. So I'm just gonna add this. What's it called? The transform rotation Y. So in based on here, I'll just import what's it called calculate. Yeah, calculate double I. So asterisk 90, what's it called? Oh, hold on. 90 degree. No, there's a mistake. All right. Calculate, open a bracket. So VR, so in bracket, double I, so asterisk 90 degree. Yeah, it should be like that. No, there's still, all right. So the translate, that will be 120 degrees. So the translate will be 120 degree. Um, Hold on. So here will be 250 degree, and this rotation should be Y. So the rotation is rotation Y. So you can see that looks perfect and great. So let me just add the box before today. So the content will be none. Position will be absolute. So the width will be 240 pixel. So the height will be 240 pixel as well. So the background will be 222. So the Z index, that will be 1000. So the transform will be translate Y and bracket 240 pixel along with the rotation. What's it called? Yeah, rotation in between here. We're gonna put what's it called 90 degree. So right here will be scale. That'll be I. That'll be 1.1 in bracket. So the filter will be blur in brackets, so making 40 pixels, so to look like there's a shadow under this rotational box. I'm just gonna copy that right here and just add this, what's it called, the header to that to style those what's it called, the name under each image. So the position will be relative, so the top will be 10 pixel, the width will be 240 pixel. So the text align, that will be center, so the font, that'll be font size. That'll be 1 EM. Yeah, that'll be 1 EM. So the font width will be 500 and the line height. So that will be 1 EM. So the text transform. So that will be uppercase, making it look capital letter. So the transform style, that will be preserve 3D. So the transform will be translate Y in a bracket. So we have 30 pixel in there. So the back face visibility, so that'll be hidden. That'll be hidden. So here this transform so here will be Z. So translate will be Z. So I'm just gonna copy this. So along with this what's called the span. So to style the span. So the font what's called the font size will be 0.75 EM. The color, so the color will be Arch F44336. So to style that with those red stuff, so you can see that. All right, so let's come down here to create a div class with btns. So down here, I'm gonna create a div class with the prev. That will be previous. So another one will be next. The class will be next. So I'm just gonna copy this btns down there to style that. So that will be this. So open the call bracket for that. So here the position will be absolute, making it looks absolute. So the bottom, that will be 80 pixels. So display, that will be flexi. The gap, that will be 30 pixel. So down here, the BT NS along with the div. Position will be relative, so the width that'll be 60 pixel, so the height will be 60 pixel as well. So what's it called, the border, yeah, the border radius, so that'll be 2 pixel solid along with this what's it called, the color. So right, all right, so up here under this box, I'm just gonna add the top to minus 60 pixels to shift this box up a little so you can see that. All right, so I'm just gonna change that radius to border alone. So down there will be border radius, so that will be 50 degree. The cursor with a pointer, so it looks what's it called, great. So display will be flex, making it look flex. So the justify content, that will be center. So the align item will be centered as well. So I'm just gonna copy this. So that will copy that before. Um, so the background, so that will be, I should create the color for that. So I'm just gonna copy it as well. So BT down will be active. This one will be before. So the content right there will be, there will be none. So what is it called? Let me just name this first image to be Kate, and the third will be URL. Um, you can see that. So I just changed those picture. Um, so the position will be absolute. The width, that will be 15 pixels. So the what's it called, the height will be 15 pixels. So the border top, so there will be 3 pixel solid along with the color hash 3. So I'm just gonna copy that as well, and I just add the right, that will be border right to this one. So the transform, that will be rotate and bracket 45 degrees. So they translate, that will be minus 2.2, 2.5 pixel, comma 205 pixels. So I'm just gonna copy this before and add here, what is it called? Um, so I'm just gonna add the making it look like this. So in between, I'll be styling that. So the transfer bit rotate and bracket 225 degree. So let's translate. What's it called? Let me change that one. That one should be 2.5 pixels. So I'm just gonna copy this. Just remove, making the dots active. So I'm just gonna copy this, remove that before. So in that bracket, I paste it right in there. So I'm just gonna change this color along with this. So all right, so as you can see that. So all right, so I'm just gonna add this before back to this active right here. All right, so okay, so it should be like that. So I'm just gonna create another file with script.js. So down under my, here under the HTML, so I will just link the script together. So as you can see that. All right, so let's go straight to the file, that's script.js. So this will be let the prefs equal to document dot query selector in brackets. So the, that'll be dot prefs, so the previous. So I'm just gonna copy this. So, so yeah, so I'm just gonna copy that to duplicate that. So here we will let the next, change that one to next, and here will be the box. So I change that one to box. So let degree equals to 0. So the previous dot add event listener, so in bracket will be click, comma, so the function, so in bracket, so I'm just gonna open a call bracket in between. So that will be, so here will be degree plus or minus 90. So down here will be box dot style equals to, so I'm just gonna navigate into my CSS and just gonna copy this perspective. Right here, I'm going to paste it right there. So I'm going to change this into dollar sign, into call brackets. So I'm gonna add degree to that. So the front of that bracket, I'm gonna add DG, which is the degree. So let's go back to the CSS. I'm gonna copy this transform and added it right here. So what I'm gonna do now is to copy this and duplicate it down here. So I'll change this to next, and the plus sign will change to minus. So whenever I click the right button to rotate right, whenever I click the left button to rotate left. So that will be all on this video tutorial. If you wish to design this, keep watching this video to the end, and don't forget to smash the subscribe button to see the new uploaded video. Alright guys, thanks.